Shauna.
Okay, so as a notary signing agent, you're going to want to have a ID badge to show people who you are, to verify your identity. Now you could use your driver's license, but you really want your personal information like your address, which is on your driver's license, to be known to the people that you are showing your ID to. It's up to you. Me, no. So of course a badge is the way to go. Now I'm going to show you how to easily make your own badge. Your badge must contain a photo of yourself. Here we go. I'm going to take you to Zazzle.com to show you how to create yourself an ID badge. Now if you see like there's some kind of coupon going on right now for 15% off, but if you click the link down below, I have a coupon code for 60% off business cards, but also an additional 20 instead of just 20% off things such as your ID badge. So you see right here on Zazzle, there's these different types of badges. Technically you can go in and pick any one that you think is cool beans for you. I'm going to keep it simple and pick something simple. So I'm going to show you how to customize this badge for you as a notary signing agent. We're going to go in here and put we like to use Jane Smith. This whole thing could be super simple. Right here we're going to put, okay, and then right here we're going to put expiration date. Put your expiration date whenever your notary commission expires. I'm gonna put some random number. Let's say, what is today? January. Let's put January. Let's put 10. Let's put 2020. Well, no. Say 2024. And then right here, not necessary department. We're gonna put notary signing agent. For ID number, we're gonna put your notary ID number. For the sake of this video, I'll keep it as is. And then here, your role, we're gonna put notary public. Let's make that very clear. I'm going to go in here and change some of this stuff. Well, I'm gonna go down right here where you see it says custom, click to customize further. We're gonna click that. We put that basic information, that way we can like get rid of some of this stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna drag this over, open that up, center some of this stuff. Here we go. ID badge. And then say like, okay, so your notary signing business is your business after all. Say you have a logo that you, or your company logo or your company website, whatever color scheme your logo is, you might want to like customize your badge to fit that. So say this background right here, I'm going to edit this background for that color, and then this one down here, let's change this into like a darker gray. Now I don't like that. Hold on, let's see. Yeah, lighter pink would be better. I mean, it doesn't have to be complicated or anything like that, but you do want it to look nice, and that is the front. Now on the back, you could, let me go to layers, go to back. Now on the back, remove that barcode, and what we could do is go to my file, upload. Could do is add these to the back, but I wouldn't make these big or anything. I mean, this is optional, you don't have to add these to the back, but I mean, it gets a little more like professionalism. So I'm gonna add these to the back, nothing big, because it's not like this is your logo or this is company, but it's just showing that. I don't think anyone would ever look at the back, but maybe your badge is flipped backwards. It's nice to know that this is only if you've actually taken your, like, became a loan signing agent through the NNA, because there's other ways you can go through. But if you was a part of the NNA, you paid your fees, you took your exam, why not put the logo on the back showing, proving that, and you had your certified, you did your certified background screening, so why not put that on the back? It's no extra cost. So So there you have it. You have your front and then you have your back. So in the next video I will show you guys how to do a business card. But yeah, this is simply it. You can keep it simple. It doesn't have to be complicated. When you go to your loan signing agents, you can be like, hi, I'm so-and-so. Where is my badge? It's in my bag in the car. Okay, well, I should go get that, but you know, it's late at night and I'm tired and I don't feel like moving nowhere. But yeah, and then okay, say you're done. This is gonna be your badge. You can attach like either a lanyard. So this is what it would look like. You can have them for an additional 50 cents. You can get a lanyard, or for where you can get one of those, you know, ones that stretch out like that, retractable ones, or you can even get the metal clip ones. It's up to you, these little metal clips. So that's the back, this is the front. It's very simple, very easy. You don't have to need anything complicated, and it's much easier to say if you had this attachable on you and you're like, hi, my name is so-and-so, instead of being like pulling out your wallet and be like, show them your ID or driver's license. Be like, no, here you go, I'm so-and-so, your notary signing agent for today. So yeah, keep it professional. And like I said, if you check the links down below, I have a link that gives you 20% off your first purchase, as well as if you want business cards, it would give you an additional 60% off. Click the links down below. It's up to you. Thank you for watching. I'm done.